Hello lovely people, my name is Carrie Brown and this is Yogi Parker and we are here to share cheese with you. This is Cheese of the Week and we make cheese videos every week, short little things to introduce you to some fabulous new cheeses that we find when we are on our travels. And why are we introducing people to cheese?
So that people can broaden their cheese and their palate horizons and have new and exciting things to add to their diet, whether they're keto or not keto, because most people get stuck with just your typical cheddar, mozzarella, jack, and your most common cheeses, Swiss. And there's so many more cheeses out there that have different flavors, some subtle, different, and some that are really just in your face different, and you can really have some delicious changes to your meals just by changing up your cheeses and your spices.
Changing up your cheese.
You must change your cheese every 3,000 miles.
Keep talking, this is going to be a thing.
So I'm actually really excited to try this cheese because we found this at a farm stand in Vermont. It was Vermont?
Well, no.
What?
It was not Vermont.
So,
it was, maybe it was Vermont.
so it was this little Four Corners Farms, and they sold
Newbury, Vermont.
It was this little farm. Well, not little. It was actually pretty. It was actually a big farm stand, and we got green tomatoes, which I got to make some fried green tomatoes, and they had a variety of locally made products, and some made there at the farm, some made within the community. They had the most delicious Jersey raw milk I think I've ever had.
So, key word, Jersey. So, most milk in America is Holstein. The brand of cow is Holstein, or the type of cow, or the whatever of cow is Holstein. However, Four Corners Farm in Newbury, Vermont has a herd of Jersey cows. Now, let me tell you about Jersey because British. So Jersey
This is not Turnpike Jersey.
No, not Turnpike Jersey. So Jersey is a little island. It's one of two. There's Jersey and Guernsey, and together they form the Channel Islands. And the Channel Islands are off the south coast of England, but they actually belong to England. And Jersey is where Jersey cows first came from, and Jersey cows are black and white. They're the black and white cows. So anyway, Jersey milk is fabulous, and it's most of what we have in England is Jersey milk from Jersey cows, which is why the dairy in England is so good. So I was particularly excited to hear that there was an entire farmyard full of Jersey cows pumping out Jersey milk and Jersey cheese and Jersey yogurt and Jersey all the things.
And I thought she was going to start a limerick there for a second when she said Jersey and Guernsey. So I was waiting for the rhyme to continue like it was a Dr. Seuss thing, but no, it wasn't. But yeah, when we were there, they also had a little local coffee roaster that was selling their coffee there, which if we ever do hit it again, I definitely want to get some of that coffee and try, because I'm always up for trying small batch coffees.
The boy is obsessed with weird coffee.
I don't know about that.
Weird coffee. It's like he can't leave the house without buying another packet of coffee.
I like coffee. So, but again...
Anyway, we bought, this place was fantastic, and it had Jersey cows. They were even selling Jersey beef, but they were out, so we couldn't buy any Jersey beef. So, now, we got two. We got two. There is aged cheddar, which has got Jersey milk, salt, enzymes, and select cultures. That's that one. And then we've got aged ale cheddar, which is Jersey milk, local, not New Jersey milk, remember, Jersey from the Channel Islands milk, local artisan ale, salt enzymes and select cultures. Which ones would you like to try first?
Because I'm really looking forward to the ale one, I want to try the aged cheddar first. Because I'm a big fan of save best for last.
We need the other cheese slicer. This is the very fine cheese slicer. We have two.
That is very good. There's a richness. A lot of cheddar cheese you get has a real bite to it. This one doesn't. It's very rich. It's got some earthy notes to it, like that. It's got a real umami flavor. Buster is trying to lick cheese.
Buster is failing because the cheese is well protected, but still. Okay, please continue.
So the richness in it, some of the cheddars that we've tried are very hard, and they have like a grainy kind of texture in with the cream, and a very sharp flavor.
This is not that.
This is not that at all.
This is smooth and creamy and
very umami. Very when you eat it, it makes the inside of your mouth kind of just water, like right away. It's very delicious. And I'm not complaining about sharp cheddar. I love sharp cheddar cheese. I love extra sharp cheddar cheese. But this is a refreshing, nice change from it. It really is. And this is a cheese that honestly I would just eat on its own.
Yep.
It can be great with some other things, but the flavor of it stands on its own. It is something that I would really just want to savor.
Four Corners Farm, Newbury, Vermont. If you're near, go get some of this. I'm not sure where else they sell it. I'm sure they must sell it all around the place. It is really delicious. Really delicious.
It is. And most mild, when you get mild cheddar at the stores, most mild cheddars that you get that don't have that real sharp flavor here in the U.S. don't have any flavor. Like they're really that's why I don't buy sharp cheddar cheese or anything but sharp cheddar cheese half the time, is because the mild cheddar and the medium cheddars don't have any flavor.
Right, so you put them in a cheese sauce and it's like, there's cheese in here? Always use sharp. Anyway, so this is artisan cheese made from our own raw milk with the expertise of the Vermont Farmstead Cheese Company.
It just like melts in your mouth. It's so creamy.
You ready for the ale?
I am. I am really looking forward to the ale. You know who would love this? Me. Not sure Carl's going to get into this. I'd eat it all.
Good luck trying that.
Yeah. No, Carl would get some. Wow. That's really good.
That is fantastic.
There's a sweetness and it's got that creaminess, but like even on, oh man, that is amazing. I'm glad we saved that one to last.
That's super good.
Yeah, it is.
That is super good. And this is their aged ale cheddar.
You have that richness and that umami, that mouth watering, but there is a almost wine-like sweetness that hits and settles and kind of carries over. If you just hold it in your mouth for a while as you're eating it and just eat it very slowly.
But you don't get that like hit of, oh, I'm having something alcoholic.
Yeah, no. No, this is like, you can taste like a beer in there, but it's subtle, and you really get the sweetness notes, and you really get the I mean, it's almost like a Chardonnay kind of fruity wine. It's a very fruity flavored. It's very good.
Well, that was a win. Four Corners Farm. Bless you people for having a Jersey herd. And I'm now going to have to go and hide these, otherwise I won't be having any more. And that's all for this week. But we will see you next Thursday for another episode of
Cheese of the Week.
Cheese of the Week.